Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a interesting announcement that Microsoft wanted to make, which has to do with something called the Windows Device Identifier. So basically, every time you install a new copy of Windows, every time you get a new computer, your device has this global device identifier. And it is something that you can't turn off or remove. It is something that can be identified when you're online, and it really identifies the device. So it doesn't identify a user, but really a device. The reason that this came up is a recent case where the FBI was able to arrest a bad guy by following him with that global device identifier that Windows has, as they were checking where he logged in on different websites where he was doing some illegal activity. So what can you do about it? Everybody is affected by that because we all have in our Windows machine that global device identifier string. If you try to remove it, by the way, in the registry, what happens is that your Windows operating system stops being activated. What most security researchers and privacy advocates recommend is that if you can use a local account, that's the best, because with the local account, it's not traced to a Microsoft account. So if you start your Windows, and it's getting harder and harder to do so, but if you do use tools like Rufus to actually start Windows 11 in local account mode, well, that means that that global device ID is not logged at Microsoft's servers with an account, with a Microsoft account. And the other thing that they recommend is lower the amount of, things like, if you go in the privacy and security, recommended offers, to turn off as much as possible anything that is recommended offers and settings, advertising IDs, personalized offers, things like that. You do not want to have those on. They're also recommending that the diagnostics and feedback is set to minimum. So the switch here needs to be off. So you're setting just required diagnostics. Things like that. And they were saying that if you're using a Windows machine and you are a journalist or anyone that, would be in danger if identified, that the best way to avoid on the Windows machine to avoid that is to use the Tor browser, which actually makes that global device ID not visible through the different basically dark web sites. And so it kind of helps keeping you a little more private and secure. But for the rest, some researchers are saying that this is kind of a global spying ID, if you want, because it is easy to trace and identifies a device. But of course, we could be multiple people using one device, which means that it's not that easy to identify a specific person doing something, but it is possible to identify a device through this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.